Robinhood, steal from the rich and give to the poor. But what happens when that actually happens? Robinhood mission statement, let the people trade. We're here for average traders. We want everybody to be able to use the stock market and make money, not Wall Street. We're here for the average trader. We're not here for Wall Street. Well, Reddit user found a hedge fund who put a major short on GameStop, ticker GME. What is a short? A short, in simple terms, is you're betting that this stock will drop in price. You're essentially borrowing, let's say it was a $10 stock. You borrow this, you sell it. When it hits down to the lower price, you can buy it. That profit margin in between is yours. If it's $10, goes to $7, you got $3. So this hedge fund put a short on it. This Reddit user legally found this short and dug it out. What did he do? He also legally put up a public post trying to get as many people as he could to buy that GameStop stock. What happens when you buy a stock that somebody has shorted? They're going to lose some money. So he legally found the hedge fund's short and legally rallied up some people to short squeeze them and make some money for these average traders. Now, what did Robinhood do next? Well, you can't mess with Wall Street. Can you buy GameStop anymore? No. That hedge fund that had all of that money trying to short that stock, $13 billion, they're bankrupt now. The stock shot up, and I'm hoping it continues to shoot to the moon for everybody who's in this fight. This is so much corruptness, and it's right in the open. They aren't even hiding it right now. I have never seen an open market just put a halt. Nope, you can't buy that stock anymore. Why? Because hedge fund people, they're crying. They're losing some money. But the hedge fund, they can manipulate the market as much as they want. If you grab that stock and you're taking up, you think it's a good one, and they manipulate it and you lose your money, big deal, we're Wall Street. But now Wall Street's on the ropes. And Robinhood, for the people, bullshit. You're not for the people because you're helping them recuperate, because the long as we can't buy anymore, the value is dropping. Dave Portnoy, aka Al Prez from Barstool Sports, is livid with this. Very wealthy man. And even he cannot stand these super rich, wealthy hedge fund people complaining because they got beat at their own game. He thinks the Robinhood founders should be in jail, and I agree with him. This is one of the most corrupt things that I've ever seen, and it is literally right in front of us. So, what can you do? Did you buy GameStop? Are you in it right now? You have a couple of options. You sell it and collect the profits that you made. You probably made some good money. Or you hold on. What happens if you hold? Well, the longer everybody holds, if it's united, the more hedge funds you could take down. Go bankrupt and get rid of them. But if people start selling off, you're probably going to lose the money that you have in there. What would I do? Personally, I'd probably sell out what I put in so I'm not losing any money, and then hold firm and fight the fight with the people, because this is about more than a little bit of money right in front of us. This is a big long-term play and issue. And if united, like that Reddit user got people, you could take down some serious hedge funds. You've always obviously got one already at 13 billion. Could probably get more. But since you can't buy it, you've either got to hold it or collect it. You don't have a lot of options. If you're in on it, let me know below. I want to hear about your process, your story, your thoughts of it. And if you don't really know what's happening, if you haven't been caught up on it, Let me know. There's going to be a lot of people in the comments who can fill you in on different things. Some might know a lot more about this than I do, but it's a really bad situation. There's one silver lining, and that is this Reddit user who got all these people on board to buy this stock and get this fight against the hedge fund started. This was the most united I have seen people rally in years, maybe ever in my lifetime. People don't rally like this anymore. It's a lot of my side versus your side. Well, right now, it's the people against Wall Street, and we're rallying. And if we can hold the line and put this fight in, which I wish I was a part of, but I missed the boat, we could do some damage. So I want to know what you think's going on. I want to know what you think about the situation and if you're in on it. So put them in the comments, DM me, text me. I love to hear this type of thing, but I want to hear your thoughts.